I want to chat with you about something important and share some valuable insights, especially for those single men looking to improve their dating game. I've noticed many guys often start by chasing after women, trying to impress them with stories, lines, or jokes. Most dating advice out there promotes this approach, but I believe it's a mistake. Instead of trying to chase women, imagine it as if you're trying to pet a cat. When you chase a cat, it usually runs away, right? But when you play it cool and let the cat come to you, it becomes curious and wants your attention. I'll share my personal approach, word for word, on how to get women to invest in the conversation and make them genuinely interested in you. Let's start with the mindset because it's crucial. You need to see yourself as the prize, as a 10. No woman wants to date someone she perceives as lower value. Now you might wonder how to change your mindset instantly. Well, there's no magic spell, but here's a tip. Start telling yourself every day that you are valuable, attractive, and a prize. Even if you don't fully believe it yet, this positive self-talk can gradually change your beliefs. Over time, this shift in your self-perception can work wonders for your dating life. When you start believing in yourself and telling yourself a different story, your entire reality changes. The power to shape your desired reality lies within you. Now, let's shift our focus to your interactions with women. Instead of chasing them, you should act like the prize. How do you do that? By screening and qualifying women. Show them that they need to impress you too. Ask open-ended questions like, "What's something interesting about you besides your looks?" Or, "I like a woman who can cook. Can you cook?" Let her talk and pay attention to her response. Consider making a list of non-physical qualities or values that you seek in a partner. This proactive approach helps you screen women for compatibility and positions you as a selector rather than a supplicator. Remember, the goal is not to be rude or dismissive, but to assert yourself as someone who values quality over quantity. This approach can shift your mindset and make you a more attractive prospect. Even if you lack confidence right now, try implementing these techniques. Start conversations with beautiful women and ask them questions that challenge them. Over time, you'll naturally become more confident and self-assured. Before we dive into qualification, many people wonder how to start an interaction on the right note, build attraction, and create a connection quickly. This process is crucial because women often decide within seconds if they're interested in a guy. Imagine walking up to a beautiful woman, crossing your arms slightly and saying, "Tell me something cool about you, besides your looks." Initially, you might not truly care about her response. However, by consistently asking such questions and challenging women, you'll start caring genuinely about their answers. This gradual shift will rewire your brain, transforming you into a challenge that women find irresistible. You'll notice that some women won't meet your standards when it comes to their qualities and their responses to your qualification questions. In such cases, you can politely and respectfully end the interaction, saying something like, "I don't think we're a great match, but it was nice meeting you. Have a fantastic day." This approach will make you feel like the prize and the selector, coming from a position of power. Embracing these strategies will make beautiful women naturally want to be with you, leading to more dates and an improved dating life. So, start with these practices today. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future videos.